Two email marketing giants, ActiveCampaign versus Campaign Monitor. One big question, which one really delivers? On the left, ActiveCampaign, email automation supercharged. On the right, Campaign Monitor, effortless email design and simplicity. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's what we're going to cover: pricing, automation and workflows, CRM and contact management, email design, analytics and reporting, ease of use, integrations and API, and scalability. Yeah, it's a lot, but honestly, you want to know how these tools stack up everywhere, don't you? So, first up, pricing. ActiveCampaign, it's basically more expensive, but honestly, if you're planning to tap into its wild features, you'll see why. Like advanced automations, CRM, the price kind of makes sense. But if you're a small business, it's, well, a bit of a stretch. Now, Campaign Monitor, way more budget-friendly for smaller lists, and the price tags aren't confusing at all. No wild jumps or hidden catches. Of course, as you move up in tiers, the feature set doesn't exactly explode. Still, for most folks starting out, saving money is a huge win, right? So, winner here, Campaign Monitor. Automation and workflows. This is where things get spicy. ActiveCampaign, oh man, it's sort of legendary for its automation builder. There are AI-driven triggers, predictive sending, deep segmentation, like you can geek out for hours. They even have over 900 templates. Downside, it's a lot to take in at first. Campaign Monitor, on the other hand, keeps it super visual and easy. If you just want simple journeys and basic triggers, it'll do the trick. But let's be real. If you want serious customization and branching logic, it starts to feel a bit restrictive. So, ActiveCampaign totally takes the crown for automations. CRM and contact management. ActiveCampaign actually built a CRM right in. It's not just lists. We're talking lead scoring, deal tracking, sales integrated with marketing, the whole shebang. You honestly do not see that much elsewhere. With Campaign Monitor, it's more like basic contact info. Or you can hook up another CRM, but there's no native power here. If you're thinking about handling sales and marketing together, ActiveCampaign easily. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that Campaign Monitor powered the emails for Barack Obama's campaign? Wild, right? And on the flip side, ActiveCampaign's AI features are supporting over 180,000 businesses as of 2025. That's a lot of smart emails flying around. Email design. So let's start with ActiveCampaign. The editor's solid, and yeah, the emails look good on mobile, which is always nice. But honestly, it doesn't scream designer's dream. Now, Campaign Monitor is where things get shiny. The drag and drop builder, super easy. Tons of lovely templates. Everything just feels made for people who love their emails to look gorgeous without sweating over settings. If you want that wow factor when someone opens your newsletter, Campaign Monitor is your bestie. So, it's a win for Campaign Monitor here. Analytics and reporting. Let's talk numbers. ActiveCampaign goes deep, like funnel reports, advanced split testing, and even machine learning insights. If you want to nerd out on your data, this is your playground. Campaign Monitor is totally friendlier, more visual, and lets you customize reports, but, well, the breakdowns aren't as granular as ActiveCampaign. If tracking every micro-conversion is your thing, ActiveCampaign's your go-to. Ease of use. With ActiveCampaign, it's power features galore. But let's be real, the learning curve is a bit steep. If you just want to set up a list and get going fast, it can feel overwhelming. Campaign Monitor stands out here. It's super clean, beginner-friendly, and nothing gets in your way. Advanced options? Honestly, not so much. But if you want something intuitive, especially in 2025 when everyone's busy, Campaign Monitor wins this round. Integrations and API. Let's geek out for a sec. ActiveCampaign has, like, integrations for everything under the sun, plus a robust API if you're a developer. Seriously, it plays nice with all the top tools. Campaign Monitor covers all the basics, so you won't feel left out. But their ecosystem isn't quite as wild or deep. If you love connecting stuff and building your own setup, ActiveCampaign is the way to go. Scalability. ActiveCampaign is just built to grow. If your business is ready to level up fast, the platform scales right with you. More features, more options as you expand. It doesn't limit you. Campaign Monitor, it's awesome for small and mid-sized teams, but if you get complicated, you may hit some ceilings. So for anyone with big growth plans, ActiveCampaign definitely edges out. Let's visualize all of that in a radar chart. You can see where ActiveCampaign's strengths are: automation, CRM, analytics, integrations, scalability, just dominating. Meanwhile, Campaign Monitor shines in ease of use, pricing, and making emails look gorgeous. Pretty striking when you see the spread.
So, here's my take. If you want super advanced automations, built-in CRM goodies, and marketing sophistication, ActiveCampaign's your pick. But if you're after beautiful emails, absurdly easy setup, and simplicity, especially for newsletters or basic campaigns, Campaign Monitor keeps it breezy. It honestly boils down to how complex your needs are and how much you want to grow. Found this useful? Stick around for more data-driven SaaS breakdowns. There's plenty more where that